Welcome to our guide on how to make money on Facebook. Whether you're a seasoned social media user or just starting out, we've got you covered. Step 1. Optimize your Facebook profile. Make sure your profile picture, cover photo, and bio are professional and reflect what you're promoting or selling. Step 2. Identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you want to share with the world? This will help you attract the right audience. Step 3. Create quality content. Post regularly and make sure your content is engaging and valuable to your audience. Step 4. Join relevant Facebook groups. Engage with communities that align with your niche. This will help you grow your audience and network. Step 5. Use Facebook Marketplace. If you have products to sell, list them on Marketplace to reach a local audience quickly. Step 6. Leverage Facebook ads. Invest in targeted ads to reach a broader audience and drive traffic to your page or website. Step 7. Collaborate with influencers. Partnering with influencers can help you tap into their follower base and increase your reach. Step 8. Offer services or courses. If you have expertise in a certain area, offer consulting services or create online courses to sell. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to making money on Facebook. Remember, consistency and engagement are key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your online presence and make money.